Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new visitors, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the notification. Okay. Today I will show you that how to track live train location. Any train, if it is local train, it is mail train, whatever it is, you can track it live location. Okay. So let's start. At first you go to your Play Store and search here where is my train and download it. Okay, after download, open it. Choose your language and click English, submit here. Okay. From station from, suppose you search Howrah to NJP, which is New Jalpaiguri. Find train. Okay, find train. I'm looking for New Jalpaiguri Shatabdi Express, right? Which is arriving in New Jalpaiguri within 10:30 p.m. Okay, I'm looking for this train. Click here. Okay, the live location is Sudhani. Note that when you are track live train location, please turn on your data connection, right? Delayed by 21 minutes at Sudhani. This train is delayed by 21 minutes. You can show here. Okay, that's the method to search any train, local train. If it is local train, can also find local train Howrah to BDC, which is Bandel. Find train. You see that Howrah Bandel local. Data connection slow, very slow. Some problem are facing over here. Okay, tap once more, refresh. Not start from Howrah, right? It will be start in 9:05 p.m. I'm looking for another train which is Howrah Katwa local, right? I'm looking for this. Arrive in Hind Motor. Delayed by 7 minutes at Hind Motor. Okay, you can see, you can track local train also, right? So thank you.